Have you ever felt like you're waiting for something big to happen in your life, but you're not sure when or how? Maybe you've been praying, hoping, and holding on, yet nothing seems to be changing. You might even wonder, does God really have a plan for me? If this sounds familiar, then let me assure you, your waiting is not in vain. God has a big surprise for you, and it's already in motion. Sometimes life feels like a series of delays, closed doors, or unanswered prayers. But what if I told you that everything is happening exactly as it should? That the struggles, the setbacks, and even the disappointments are all part of a divine setup for something greater. God is not punishing you, He is preparing you. The key is to stay ready. Your breakthrough is not just coming, it's already on its way. But to receive it, you need to align yourself in faith, release doubt, and step into expectation. In this message, I'll share a powerful prayer to prepare your heart and mind for the blessings ahead. Get ready, because what God has planned for you will leave you in awe. Every phase of your life, including the waiting seasons, has a divine purpose. It may feel like nothing is happening, but beneath the surface, everything is aligning perfectly in ways you cannot yet see. Impatience creates anxiety, making you feel as if you are falling behind, but the truth is, what is meant for you will never miss you. Instead of questioning when will it happen, shift your mindset to how can I prepare for what is coming. Waiting is not about doing nothing, it is about refining yourself for the next level. Use this time to strengthen your faith, develop new skills, and align your mind and spirit with divine timing. The greatest blessings often come when you least expect them, but they will only be received by the person you are becoming in the process. Trust that every delay is divine preparation, every closed door is redirection, and every challenge is shaping you for something greater. Patience is not just about waiting, it is about maintaining a peaceful and expectant heart, knowing that when the right moment arrives, everything will fall into place effortlessly. Your time is coming, and when it does, you will understand why the wait was necessary. Fear is the greatest barrier between you and your blessings. It creates resistance, slows down your progress, and blinds you from seeing the opportunities already in motion. On the other hand, faith creates flow. It allows you to move forward with confidence, even when the path is unclear. Every time fear whispers that things won't work out, remind yourself that faith is stronger than any uncertainty. Doubt is a silent thief. It delays what is meant for you, because it signals to the universe that you are not ready to receive. Instead of dwelling on what if things go wrong, start affirming what if everything is falling into place perfectly. Negative thoughts may come, but you do not have to entertain them. Speak life over your journey and shift your mindset to trust. Every day declare, I walk by faith, not by fear. Let this truth guide your steps. The unknown is not something to be feared. It is where miracles unfold. Choose to move forward with unwavering belief, knowing that your destiny is already written. Fear may try to hold you back, but faith will always lead you to your breakthrough. The need to control every detail of your life can unknowingly block what is meant for you. When you try to force outcomes, you limit the infinite possibilities that divine intelligence has already arranged for your highest good. Life is not about struggling to make things happen. It is about allowing them to unfold in perfect timing. Let go of the urge to micromanage the process. What is truly meant for you will come effortlessly, without stress or force. If a door is not opening, trust that it is either the wrong door or the wrong time. Instead of asking, why isn't this happening yet? Shift your mindset to, I trust that everything is aligning for me in the best possible way. Divine intelligence sees the bigger picture, the connections, the timing, the opportunities you cannot yet perceive. Your role is to prepare, believe, and surrender. When you release the need to control, you make space for miracles to flow into your life. Trust that what is ahead is far greater than anything you could have planned. Let go, step back, and allow divine guidance to lead you to something beyond your imagination. In a world filled with noise, distractions, and endless movement, silence is a rare but powerful tool. It is in stillness that your intuition speaks the loudest. When you take time to be silent and reflect, you create space to hear divine wisdom guiding your next steps. The answers you seek are not outside of you, they are already within, waiting for you to slow down and listen. Regular moments of quiet reflection help align you with divine timing. When you pause, breathe, and detach from external chaos, clarity emerges effortlessly. The confusion, doubts, and fears that once clouded your mind begin to fade, replaced by a deep knowing that you are exactly where you need to be. Do not underestimate the power of being still. Silence is not emptiness. It is the space where divine alignment takes place. Whether through meditation, prayer, or simply sitting in nature, embrace the practice of stillness. Let your mind settle. Let your heart be open. And trust that in the quiet moments you will receive the guidance and direction you need. Everything you are searching for is already finding its way to you. Just listen. Holding on to the past can weigh you down and block the blessings meant for your future. Every failure, regret, and disappointment has served its purpose to teach, strengthen, and prepare you. But once the lesson has been learned, it is time to let go. You cannot step into a new chapter while still carrying the burdens of an old one. Stop replaying old narratives that no longer serve you. Your past does not define your future unless you allow it to. The mistakes you made, the opportunities you missed, and the pain you endured were all part of a greater plan. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, focus on what is now possible. One of the most powerful acts of freedom is forgiveness, both of yourself and others. Carrying resentment keeps you chained to what hurt you. When you forgive, you release the energy that is holding you back and make space for healing, growth, and new opportunities. Let go of the weight of yesterday so you can move freely into your destiny. Your best days are ahead of you. And once you release the past, you will find that life begins to unfold with greater ease and abundance. Every person who enters your life is there for a reason. Some come to teach you lessons, others come to bless you, and a few are meant to walk with you for a lifetime. Regardless of their role, every connection is part of the divine plan for your growth and transformation. Learn to recognize the difference between those who drain your energy and those who uplift and inspire you. Not everyone is meant to stay, and that is okay. Some people are placed in your path to challenge you, to refine you, and to help you grow. Others are divine gifts, mentors, friends, and partners who encourage your journey. When you align yourself with the right people, your life begins to shift in extraordinary ways. Trust that the right relationships will appear when you are truly ready for them. You do not need to chase them or force connections. Instead, focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and those who are meant for you will naturally be drawn into your life. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your potential, who speak life into your dreams, and who help you walk confidently in the direction of your destiny. Too often, people limit themselves by settling for what feels safe and familiar. But there is a greater purpose waiting for you, one that stretches beyond your current circumstances and expectations. Do not shrink your dreams to fit what seems possible. Instead, expand your vision to align with the limitless possibilities that God has prepared for you. God's vision for your life is far greater than what you can currently see. If you only rely on your own understanding, you may miss the bigger picture. Dare to dream beyond what seems logical. The greatest breakthroughs happen when you step outside of your comfort zone and trust that something greater is unfolding. Be open to new opportunities, unexpected doors, and divine alignments. Just because you have not seen it happen yet does not mean it is impossible. When you believe in limitless possibilities, you invite them into your reality. Let go of small thinking and embrace the truth that your destiny is grander than your mind can comprehend. Walk with boldness, act with faith, and declare, "I am ready for all that is meant for me." The moment you expand your vision, life begins to expand with you. Life does not always unfold the way you expect it to. The path you have in mind may not be the one God has chosen for you, and that is okay. Sometimes what feels like a detour is actually the quickest route to where you are meant to be. When things do not go as planned, trust that divine guidance is leading you toward something even greater. Holding on to rigid expectations can create frustration and resistance. Instead, be open to the shifts and changes happening around you. That job you lost, the relationship that ended, or the opportunity that fell through may have been necessary for your elevation. What seems like a setback is often divine redirection towards something better suited for your growth and purpose. Be willing to pivot when you sense a new direction unfolding. Instead of fearing the unknown, embrace it with faith. God's plans are always greater than our own, and when you surrender to the unexpected, you will find that everything is aligning perfectly. Sometimes the road less traveled is the one that leads you to your breakthrough. Stay open, stay flexible, and trust that you are being guided exactly where you need to be. A breakthrough is not just about receiving blessings, it is about stepping into the responsibility that comes with them. Many people pray for change but are not prepared to handle it when it arrives. If you desire abundance, success, love, or a new opportunity, ask yourself, am I truly ready for what I am asking for? The shift you are waiting for requires you to step into a higher version of yourself. Growth must happen before elevation. This means releasing old habits, strengthening your mindset, and preparing mentally, emotionally, and spiritually for the next level. If you are asking for greater opportunities, start developing the skills and discipline needed to sustain them. If you are praying for new relationships, become the kind of person who can nurture and honor them. One of the most powerful ways to prepare for a shift is to act as if it has already happened. Walk, speak, and think in alignment with your future reality. Instead of waiting for confirmation, move in faith. When you embody the mindset of someone who is already blessed, you send a signal to the universe that you are ready. The shift is coming. Prepare yourself now to step into it fully. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a sign of progress. Too often, people focus only on the big breakthrough and overlook the small victories that lead them there. But the truth is, transformation happens in stages, and every milestone, no matter how minor, is proof that you are moving in the right direction. Gratitude for small wins creates space for bigger blessings. When you take time to appreciate even the smallest signs of progress, you align yourself with divine energy and attract more reasons to celebrate. Whether it's a new opportunity, a moment of clarity, or simply overcoming a challenge, each success deserves recognition. Recognizing progress keeps you motivated. If you are constantly waiting for the big moment, you may miss the beauty of the journey. Instead, shift your mindset to one of appreciation. I am thankful for how far I have come, and I trust that greater things are on the way. Every great achievement starts with small, consistent steps. By celebrating each one, you train yourself to see the divine hand at work in your life. Keep going, keep trusting, and keep celebrating, because every win brings you closer to your ultimate breakthrough. Comparison is one of the quickest ways to rob yourself of peace and joy. When you constantly measure your progress against others, you lose sight of your own unique journey. The truth is, your path is divinely designed, and no one else can walk it but you. What is meant for you will never pass you by, regardless of how fast someone else seems to be moving. It is easy to look at others and wonder why they are succeeding while you are still waiting. But remember, divine timing is different for everyone. Just because someone else has reached a milestone before you does not mean you are behind. Stay in your own lane, focus on your own growth, and trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. The only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. As long as you are growing, learning, and moving forward, you are on the right path. Instead of looking at others with envy, celebrate their success as proof that blessings are possible for you too. Keep your eyes on your own journey and trust that your season of abundance is on its way. Your life is a reflection of the energy you put out into the world. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shape your reality, attracting either abundance or limitation. If you want to experience miracles, you must first align yourself with the frequency of abundance. This means thinking, speaking, and acting as if your blessings are already on their way. Speak life over yourself every day. I am blessed. I am favored. My time is now. These words carry power and set spiritual laws into motion. When you affirm your worthiness, you open the doors for opportunities, breakthroughs, and unexpected blessings to flow into your life. But when you focus on lack, struggle, or fear, you create resistance that blocks what is meant for you. Miracles are not random, they are the result of alignment. The moment you stop doubting and start believing, things begin to shift. Instead of waiting for external proof, Start living as though the miracle has already happened. Walk in faith, radiate gratitude, and trust that everything is working in your favor. When you truly believe that you are a magnet for miracles, the universe will respond, and you will see blessings unfold effortlessly before your eyes. Every challenge you face is not a punishment, but a preparation for what is coming next. Life's difficulties are designed to strengthen, refine, and equip you for the blessings that are waiting for you. The greater the blessing, the greater the preparation required. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" shift your mindset to, "What is this teaching me?" Each obstacle is an opportunity to grow. If you are facing delays, it may be a lesson in patience. If relationships are being tested, it could be a lesson in trust and discernment. If doors are closing, perhaps you are being redirected towards something better. Every experience carries wisdom. Your job is to recognize it. Learn from each test so that you do not have to repeat the lesson. When you resist growth, life will continue presenting the same challenges until you master them. But when you embrace the lesson, you move forward with greater wisdom and strength. Trust that every hardship is making you stronger for the responsibility of your next level. The struggles of today are shaping you into the person who can handle the blessings of tomorrow. Stay faithful. The lesson is temporary, but the growth is eternal. Your mindset determines what you attract into your life. When you live in expectation, you create space for opportunities, breakthroughs, and blessings to flow. But when you dwell in worry, you block what is meant for you. Worry is rooted in fear, while expectation is rooted in faith. Choose faith. Wake up every day with the mindset, "Today something amazing is coming my way." When you set this intention, you shift your energy and align yourself with the good that is already in motion for you. You begin to notice opportunities, meet the right people, and move in ways that bring your desires closer to reality. Expectation is a magnet for miracles. It fuels your actions with confidence, helps you take inspired steps, and keeps your spirit open to receiving. Worry, on the other hand, keeps you stuck in doubt and hesitation. The more you focus on problems, the more they seem to grow. But when you focus on possibilities, solutions appear effortlessly. Release the habit of worrying about what could go wrong and replace it with trust in what is going right. Expect greatness, move in faith, and watch how life aligns in your favor. Your blessings are on the way. The moments just before a breakthrough often feel like the hardest. It is in these times of waiting, uncertainty, and pressure that you may feel tempted to give up. But know this: when things seem the most challenging, it is often because your blessing is closer than ever. The delay is not a denial, it is divine preparation. Do not quit before you see the manifestation of what has been promised to you. Many people give up too soon, not realizing that their blessing was just around the corner. Faith is not about believing only when things are easy. It is about standing firm, even when there is no visible evidence of change. Hold on to faith, knowing that everything is aligning in perfect divine timing. Even when you don't see movement, trust that God is working behind the scenes, arranging everything for your highest good. Your breakthrough will come at the right moment, in the right way, and it will exceed your expectations. Stand strong, remain expectant, and refuse to let doubt shake you. The longer you hold on in faith, the greater the testimony will be. Your moment is coming. Stay ready to receive what has already been set in motion for you. If this message spoke to your heart, know that God is already working behind the scenes for you. Your breakthrough is coming, your prayers are being answered, and what's ahead is greater than what's behind. Stay in faith, stay expectant, and remember, God's timing is always perfect. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below, "I trust God's plan for my life." Let's declare it together and stand in faith for the blessings that are on their way. Your words have power, and by speaking it out, you're aligning yourself with the miracles God has prepared for you. If you found encouragement in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more faith-filled messages that will uplift your spirit. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay strong, stay faithful, and get ready, because God's surprise for your life is closer than you think. See you in the next video.